back to Nouns and Update. I want to share with you today how you can easily upload your passport on your student portal. Please note that without this, you cannot do course registration and exam registration. You need to upload your passport on your portal. And note this as well. The picture must be clear, and this picture is going to be the one that's going to show your certificate. You need to know that. Then the picture you're going to upload, which is his passport, not been more than 3 months. So your head, your ears, your chin must be visible. Please note that. Then the background should be white or red. Please, all these are very important. Take it into consideration before you upload the picture. If all these are set, then go ahead and once you've logged into your portal, just this is your portal now. Just come to registry. Click on registry like this. Once you click on registry, it will load up. Another thing I would like you to know that please, you can now update your picture twice. Once you've updated it once, it's going to you can't do it again. So you have to be very certain about the picture you are uploading. Please note that very well. So after you come to this registry, come to this update or data, click on it as well to load up. Is it done? So it's going to show you something like this. You can update your data. These are other data. If you scroll down, you see other data. You can update it. But this is where we are going. Once you click on this, see, you will see this ID, upload passport picture. So you put it here. Once you put it in this place, click on it. It will take you to your page that you're going to upload your passport. Put in the passport that you have that you want to upload. Please note that the maximum should not be more than 50 kilobyte and JPG. That is the maximum. So please, if you want to do it, let it be like 40, 35, 45 max. So it will be easy to upload. And once you have done that, your picture will show on your student portal. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. You can check out our previous video for other videos and try. Please subscribe and like our videos and share to other people who are in need. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.